In this video, I'll guide you through a step-by-step process for chiseling a door to ensure a precise and flush fit for your hinges. Begin by marking the hinge placement on both the door and the frame. Measure and mark the exact position where you want to place the hinge leaf. Using a sharp object, score along the hinge outline. This scoring helps prevent any potential wood splintering when we start chiseling. Turn the wood to face the side adjacent to the other leaf. Then draw the approximate mortise depth. It should match the hinge leaf's thickness. You can use the hinge leaf as a reference for getting an accurate marking. Then tap the chisel to the desired depth along the marked line, gradually creating the outline of the mortise. If the hinge has rounded corners, use a utility knife to cut the curves carefully, ensuring a clean and accurate perimeter. Once the perimeter is established, it's time to create the mortise itself. Begin by making a series of cuts to the marked depth within the mortise. These cuts should be spaced closely together. With the beveled side of the chisel facing down, carefully chip away material to shape the mortise. It is recommended to start in the center and work towards the edges to prevent compressing the edge grain. Take your time during this process to ensure precision and avoid any potential damage. Work the chisel across the mortise to level and flatten the surface to achieve a flush fit for the hinge. Continue until the hinge leaf sits flush. Take the time to check the fit and make adjustments. I hope this tutorial has been valuable to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time.